Okay, so as I'd actually talked about in my speech, I feel India needs a lot of consumer brands. There is a multiple number of consumer brands kind of coming on a daily basis, but the core strength of a brand is around customer servicing, branding, and distribution, right? Uh, they would ideally want a lot of support in this journey, in the form of their backend, and that backend and that partner is contract manufacturers, right? To have a forum and a platform which brings all leading contract manufacturers in the country and makes them accessible to consumer brands is sheer power, right? It's a very, very powerful platform. And I feel that is the biggest responsibility and the biggest power for someone like a CMPL. I think with one mantra is there is no substitute for hard work. And if you put your mind to it and you put 100% of your effort towards it and you work diligently and consistently towards it, you will achieve it. Look, like Six Sense, there have been many other, investments that have happened into contract manufacturing and backend manufacturing. As I told you, contract manufacturing, is the backbone for, consumer brands, right? If consumer brands grow, they won't be, automatically you will see a growth in contract manufacturers and vice versa, right? One cannot happen without the other. So, and again, as I pointed out in my speech, there is over $1 billion that has been invested purely into manufacturing-led plays, and I actually see this number increasing in the years to come. As I pointed, earlier, I think this is a very, very powerful platform. It solves for a real need of consumer brands. And the fact that Vicky and team have successfully put together this platform, I see this going a long, long way, and all the best for Vicky to kind of execute this on a very, very large scale. It's a problem solver.